Today's episode is 86's reaction to 60's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 99's snore. And this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hello folks. 86 here. I'm going to do a reaction on 60's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 99's snore. But I don't know if it's good or not. Anyways, let's hop on to the reaction.
Hey, chill, fine, I'll snore.
What? Okay, why is this getting too popular? Maybe too many views kept watching it non-stop. Okay, thank God this video ended. Bruh, Choni's viewers are obsessed with that video. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 105.